In this video, we will learn how to make Google Doc available offline. So let's start. This is my Google Doc. This is online now because I already log in Gmail account. After that, I open the Google Doc in Google Drive. Okay. So this is online. If I want to offline work, just click on the File tab. Here you can see the Make Available Offline. Just click on it. Turn on the offline for all files. Turn on the offline to access files without an internet connection. Not recommended on public or shared documents. So you can use without internet this file in offline. Okay, just click on it. Reload to all offline editing. That's it. Now your Google Doc is offline. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.